Hey guys, welcome back. It is one of my first official mods for the golfr. I have actually taken my old IE intake from my GTI and I put it on my R. If you didn't know, it is a direct fit, so I decided why not save this part and add it to the R. Again, this video is not a fully descriptive install video, but just some of the things and components that you have to take off and install. It's a pretty easy install overall. The hardest part is probably taking the PCV valve off the inlet, which you will see me struggle with in just a little bit. But I did get it off with the help of my brother. But besides that, it was an easy install overall, and I'm glad that it fits perfectly and it sounds just as good. If you haven't seen my GTI intake video before, I'm using the exact same parts. I'm using the IE turbo inlet along with the IE intake. This was literally the hardest part of the install. It took me some time to try to pry it off, but I finally got my brother's help. We used a small pry tool to poke in there while I was pulling, and it seemed to work just fine. But here's the comparison between the inlets. If you haven't seen it before, it is definitely a big difference, and I would say it's a must-have if you haven't done this already. Overall, like I said, it's a pretty easy install if you're an amateur like me or beginning or an intermediate mechanic. You should have no problem with this. It's fairly easy. There's multiple descriptive detailed videos on YouTube on how to install, so follow that or look it up IE's guide and you should be just fine. Just to wrap a few things up, we got the inlet installed, we got the pipes, we also installed the oil line which IE provides to make it easier to go under the intake, but otherwise, the last few steps and it's all done. Again, thanks for watching. I just have a few sound comparison clips at the end here. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe and like, and comment down if you have any questions for me or what do you want to see in the R. I'll see you next time.